Hello and welcome to our new video. Today we will talk about the muscle supply by radial nerve. We will give a mnemonic of muscles which supply by radial nerve. For this you have to remember you heard the name of a movie called Beauty and Beast. From that you have to remember Beast. From every letter of Beast we have one muscle which supply by radial nerve. Then let's start the word by word. First letter is B. B for we can take brachioradialis. Brachioradialis supplied by radial nerve. Then E for extensor. Whichever muscle start with extensor supplied by radial nerve. Then other are anconeus. All muscle which end with anconeus supplied by radial nerve. Then supinator. S for supinator. And T for triceps. These 5 muscles supplied by radial nerve. You can easily remember by use the mnemonic of BEAST. BEAST. Brachioradialis, extensor, anconeus, supinator and triceps.